In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete activity in Splitwise. If you've ever added an expense by mistake or duplicated a payment, cleaning up your activity in Splitwise can help keep your balances clear and easy to understand. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps you need to follow on the Splitwise website, and I'll also share a few tips so you know what to expect before you remove anything. First, open your web browser and go to the Splitwise website. Make sure you're logged into your account and that you're on the main dashboard page. This is usually the first screen you see after signing in, where you can view your groups, friends, and balances. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the option labeled Recent Activity. This section is where Splitwise keeps a timeline of things that have happened on your account, such as expenses added, edited, or settled. Go ahead and click on Recent Activity. Once you do, you'll see a list of activities organized by date. Take a moment to scroll through this list and carefully identify the specific activity you want to delete. This might be an expense you added to the wrong group, a payment that was entered twice, or anything else that you no longer want to appear in your history. Make sure you're selecting the correct one, because deleting an activity can affect how balances are shown between you and your friends. When you've found the activity you want to remove, click directly on that entry. This will open up the details for that particular expense or payment. Here, you can usually see who was involved, the amount, the date, and any description that was added. Double check that everything matches the item you intend to delete. From this detail view, Splitwise normally gives you options to edit or delete the activity. Choose the option to delete. If Splitwise asks you to confirm, read the confirmation message and then approve the deletion. After you confirm, that activity will be removed from your recent activity list, and the related balances will update automatically. That's all you need to do. By using the recent activity section and carefully selecting the specific item you want to remove, you can keep your Splitwise account clean, accurate,